Take the question.
Sir, please decode GR it is.
Okay. So guys, today we are going to solve and we are going to tell that how can you build the sentence without subject when you are going to narrate, when you are going to qualify the adjective streams. Is that clear? Guys, if you want to qualify the adjective streams, in that condition you need to subject. So guys, in that condition, according to present time, I repeat again, according to present time, we need a subject, and in that condition we can use it is. I repeat again, it is. Is that clear? And it is used to qualify the adjective streams. Is that clear? So guys, let's start to understand. We have some example. For example, it is good, it is bad, it is light, it is dark, it is heavy. Is that clear? For example, it is morning, it is afternoon, it is evening, it is day, it is night. Okay, it is 9 o'clock, it is 9:30, it is 8:45, it is 9:15, it is Monday, it is Sunday, it's a March, it's a 1988. So guys, you are looking that in all examples we are using it is according to present time. Is that clear? So guys, if you want to define, if you want to narrate the quality of the adjective streams, then you can use as a subject it is. So guys, if you like this CR, then you can follow us at our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky video, then you can visit our official website, whose official URL link is www.navea.in. And guys, you can contact us at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
Thank you.